Alright, we got a ridiculous lump of felt from behind the bobbin case on this 277. I think it's a 277. So let's find out how bad it is under the needle plate here. Oh, it's not terrible. It's definitely a big lump of felt down here on the feed dogs. And that is absolutely stopping the machine from working properly. So scrape that out with a screwdriver and then run our toothbrush back and forth on that. So yeah, that grime was definitely interfering with the operation of the machine. So I thought I had all the grime out of that rotary spot. There. There, now all the grime is out of the... there. And the machine's still got a couple stiff spots in it as I turn it, but we'll chase those down once we get a tire on the drive motor and can run it a little bit faster. See if we can oil it and work that out.